make more sense now. And I see how much deeply that is to what I have experienced. As an athlete here in the Aguilera, the prestige that comes with it, the community, my teammates, my mentors, everything here is just beautiful. Using today is so valuable that you guys will be there and doing it next year. And it will be, that will be way smoother. We left the court tonight with a one big fight. Our battle doesn't stop here. It doesn't stop in the UAE court. We will continue to inspire and empower to work harder than ever. And so I thank the Lord for blessing me with such wonderful experience in the Ateneo. I thank every one of you. I thank the Ateneo community, and most especially Coach Lai. Can I request Coach Lai to come here? Please? Coach Lai, Pastor. I just want to thank this man for everything. It's a lovely relationship. I want to say thank you to my teammates for always being there for me, always ready to lift me up, literally, and I can see someone has the Coach Lai is preparing us not just to be survivors, but to be fighters. So let's continue to fight hard and prepare. Definitely doesn't stop here. We will continue to fight, and I will be with the fellow graduates training on you. This is Gisela Nani, number 7, officially signing off from the UAE. One
I'm not the type of person to do public speeches and kasi so, pero I think I owe it to you guys to stand in front of you. First of all, to say sorry for falling short, but yeah, we fell short tonight, but I can say that we really put up a fight. Nakita ko sa teammates ko kanina na lahat gusto naman. Sorry, very emotional ako naman ako sa nanay ko. Tapos, I can really say we put up a big fight earlier, and I'm really grateful for the season that just passed. I'm grateful for my teammates kasi huwag kayong umiyak, naiiyak ako. Kahit ang dami natin hirap na pinagsamahan, ang dami natin pinagdaanan, it wasn't easy for any of us. Like what Giselle said, every day we had to choose to play for the school, for our families, for ourselves, most of all for God. As in, we really had to find a bigger purpose outside of ourselves. Para makagano kami, para makapulog kami ng lakas bawat training. 7 days a week we train. But then, thank you teammates because you guys made me see the bear. Also, I'd like to thank my family for always supporting me and everything I wanted to pursue. Also, thank you to the athletics office and all the departments that helped us, student athletes, reach where we are today. Also, I wanted to thank Coach Ted because honestly, Coach Tai, you taught me so many things that I know I couldn't have learned. I know you don't understand this, but then I just wanted to thank you. I'm sure you don't understand. Thank you, and I love you for teaching me everything I could have learned. What? Sorry. Anyway, when Anyway, for the past 4 years, I've been great, and I know, I just wanted to share that it's always been my dream to play for Ateneo. As in, I got my dream course, I passed my dream course, my dream school, and pero I'm gonna do with my family. 10% of why I chose to play for Ateneo is because blue is my favorite color. And honestly, I don't think I would have reached farther than where I am today if I chose to play for another school. And it's been an honor to play for the blue and white. But after careful thinking, and I've been thinking about it for a long time. This coming May, I'm graduating from the Ateneo, but I've also decided to graduate from the team as well. And as much as it hurts to say, I'd like you all to know that I want to move on to a new chapter in my life. And I know it won't be easy to understand why, but it has been something I've been thinking about. But I wanted to thank everyone and let everyone know that it has been a great honor to play for the Ateneo for the past 4 years. And know that I won't ever stop supporting the team, no matter what, and I will always be part of the Ateneo community. So, sorry, I don't know what to say. But then, this is something that I've decided even before, and I just chose to keep it to myself because I wanted to stay focused with the team and go for the championship, of course, or to wherever God would want to take us. And then, again, I want to thank everyone for the never-ending support. The Ateneo, the Gigas, and the men's volleyball team as well. To the whole Ateneo community. I will forever be grateful for everything I've learned here in this university. So, this is Gia Morado, number 12, the Ateneo.